Underslop comic. Muffins. Papyrus? Are those muffins? Kinda. We were missing some ingredients, so I had to make do with what we had. Well, wait, you baked something? Can I try one? Knock yourself out. No. Well, how was it? Indescribable. It's really good. I never tasted anything like it. Thanks, bro. But don't worry about it. My baking skills are pretty crummy. No, your baking is amazing. The Magnificent Sans will have another. Thanks, Sans. It's really no big deal. Give me one, Papyrus. No, you'll get sick. They are great. I will eat the whole thing to prove it. Sans! Sans!